BioResearch is one of the few companies that manufactures full range of Ayurvedic products, that is healthcare products, skincare products and hair care products. All products are registered with Ministry of Ayush, Government of India and are GMP certified. Ayurveda is 5000 years old medical science and is based on the principle of treating the cause of the problem, unlike symptoms treated by modern medicines. Moreover, an Ayurvedic product has no side effect and it does not interfere with other systems of medicines. What sets it apart from other companies is that all its products are unique and result oriented. The user can feel the positive difference from day one. BioResearch products are formulated on the basis of teachings of our great rishis, that is Charaka,
Vagbhat,
Sushruta and many more. BioResearch has solution to cure many diseases that is not cured by modern medicines. Some prominent diseases are thyroid disorder, high bad cholesterol, liver disorder, depression, anxiety, arthritis, digestion, constipation, low immunity, lung diseases like TB, asthma, bronchitis, PCOD and fertility problems in ladies. The list is endless. Similarly, BioResearch has solution to naturally enhance beauty with our natural products like nourishing creams based on flowers, fruits, vegetables, minerals and herbs. There are several kinds of face washes, body lotions, facial kits, scrubs, gels and face packs that we produce. We have also solution for sun protection for eternal youth and skin fairness creams. Regarding hair segments, there are natural colors based on henna and other herbs. It does not harm your hair. There are other products to stop hair fall and strengthen your hair. We have also a herbal hair cleanser and hair oil. Padmakesh Stop Hair Fall Pack. Hair fall is a common problem worldwide. It can occur at any age or to any male or female. Primarily, hair fall occurs due to weakening of hair roots and drying up of hair nutrients. Modern medicines do not have a long-term solution to this problem. Padmakesh Stop Hair Fall Pack with goodness of Ayurvedic herbs like Amla, Jatamansi, Nirgundi, Jyotishmati, etc. nourishes the hair roots and stops the hair fall from the very first application. Padmakesh Shilajit Hair Pack. Weakening of hair roots, loss in density and volume of hair is directly related to depletion of hair nutrients on scalp and hair roots. Shilajit Hair Pack with its unique combination of Shuddh Shilajit gives strength to the hair and make them healthy and dense. Padmakesh Hair Wash for prevention of hair fall, removing dust and dandruff. Most of the glamorous and well advertised shampoo does more harm to the hair than benefits. This is due to the presence of harmful chemicals in them that dries up the natural essential oil and nutrients from hair roots and scalp. As a result, hair loss occurs. BioResearch Padmakesh Hair Wash. With its unique formulation of time-tested herbs like Javakusum, Bhringraj, Kari Patta, Shankh Pushpi, etc., it stops the damage to the hair and strengthens the hair roots by nourishing them. Henna Natural Hair Colors. Cover grey hair with mehendi-based color and look young. Just for 16 rupees, cover your grey hair with natural and healthy henna-based color.
it takes 2 to 3 hours.
Unlike synthetic color and dyes, it does not harm your eyesight and do not encourage hair fall. Only you get lustrous, healthy and natural looking hair. Available in black, brown and dark brown shades. Padmakesh Nourishing Hair Oil for treatment of premature graying, dandruff and hair fall. With advancement of age, malnutrients and poor blood circulation, hair health and growth is affected. For healthy hair, it is essential to have proper blood circulation in the scalp and right nutrients. Padmakesh Hair Oil with its unique combination of herbs like Bhringraj, Kari Patta, Brahmi, Neem and coconut oil restores the hair health and improves density and volume.